Hindi kami nag-start strong kanina because I do believe na yun, ganun nga yung tiwala ko dun sa mga players ko. But I know, syempre, it's a championship. We have to start strong. Pero may agreement naman kami niyan ng mga bata. So, ayun, kumbaga, ano naman, supportado naman nila ako dun. Ganun din naman, sinusuportahan ko din sila. It's just a matter of, you know, paano namin ulit, syempre, babalik kami ulit na pag-aralan lang namin ano yung take away namin dito sa game na to. And, ayun, try to bounce back on Saturday.
Coach, we talked to Manalili kanina and mukhang fired up siya, especially nung tinutod daw sila ni Miller nung first quarter na parang lumabas na kayo. Kaya anong reaction niyo doon?
Wala, just part of the game, syempre. Sa akin naman, ano that's normal for players. So ako naman, trabaho lang naman, you know, to guide them at the end of the day.
Coach, automatic suspension daw po si Miller for game 2. Parang, does this change your game plan? Does this team?
Malaking bagay kasi nawalan din sila sa mga 8 to 25 points. So, you know, malaking bagay din yun going to game 2 na wala siya, at least mawawala din yung babawasan rather yung mababantayan namin.
Coach, next game, balik na ba sa usual starters or up in the air pa rin kung anong strategy?
We'll see na lang on Saturday.
Coach, yung mga, obviously normal lang po yung mga tension sa Tonti, especially since finals and kayong dalawa. Pero one thing that greatly affected you guys kanina is ayun nga, mag-foul out si Gonzalida and si Titing. Any for next game?
Well, syempre, napaka-importante yung mga key players natin na matapos nila yung game, you know. So, yun lang, yung mga useless fouls dapat, yung mga unnecessary dapat hindi na namin na kasi sayang eh.
Coach, could you talk us through dun sa third quarter? Naging 5 nila no halftime pero na-outscore nila 24 to 5.
Yeah, 22 to 5. You know, it was parang, you know, yun yung pinaka-ugliest quarter namin sa buong season. So, kailangan ko lang balikan what went wrong dun sa third quarter. Kasi yun talaga yung exclamation point. Bakit? Siyempre, ang hirap bumalik lalo na San Beda ka lang.
Coach, somehow may regret ba na hindi nag-work yung strategy ng
well, siyempre, nandun yung panghihinayang. Pero, at least, alam ng mga players natin na nandun yung tiwala ko sa kanila. So, at least, ganun din yung tiwala nila sa akin. Precise naman kami sa mga decision namin.
Coach, knowing what you know now, is the confidence starting to come back heading to the game 2?
Well, syempre, alam ko naman na yung mga players namin is nandyan yung grit. So, babalik at babalik yan. Just a matter of kailangan lang namin pag-aralan lang mabuti. Ano yung magiging game plan namin going to Saturday's game.
Coach,